Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the Primrose stitch. This is a beautiful stitch with very easy stitches combined. I use this in my crochet pattern, the Primrose blouse, all through the bottom and the sleeves as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to crochet this part of the sweater, do the stitch. The stitch is lovely for tops like this or blankets or any kind of pattern you want, something a little open and lacy and just really dainty and pretty. For the tutorial, I'm going to be using some comfy worsted weight yarn. I don't have a label for it. It's the same yarn used for this top. It's a cotton acrylic blend. It's really soft and squishy and nice, perfect for clothing like this. And I have an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any yarn you have on hand for learning the stitch. But if you're going to make the pattern, this is a great one for this top. I will link to the pattern in the description below, as well as the yarn and the hook for you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I made a little swatch. I like to do things just a little bit differently than most. I am starting with a chainless foundation single crochet stitch at the bottom, and then I like to end on the single crochet repeats because I just think it gives it a cute little trim or edge look. So just so you know, you may see it as just chains instead of the chainless foundation stitch, and it may end on a repeat of the double crochets if you see it written differently, but essentially it's the same. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're going to start by working a multiple of 3 plus 2, and I'm going to do the chainless foundation single crochet stitch. I have a tutorial for this as well. I will link to it. So I'm going to do 14 chainless foundation single crochet stitches to make a little swatch. All right, I've completed 14 chainless foundation single crochet stitches. Now I'm ready to start my rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a single crochet in the first stitch, and then I'm going to skip one, and I'm going to do a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the next stitch. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to skip 2 this time and do that again. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And then we have 2 left, so I'm going to skip 1 and I'm going to do just a single crochet in the last. So here's what I have so far. Then for our next row, I'm going to do a long chain, which is pulling up a loop about the height of a double crochet and chaining 1, and then I'm going to turn. I also have a tutorial for that I will link. I'm going to do a double crochet into the first stitch. And then for the primrose stitches, we are going to be working into our chain 2 spaces, each chain 2 space across. So I'm going to do 3 double crochet in that first chain 2 space. Just like so. And then I'm going to go right to the next chain 2 space and work 3 double crochet. The yarn's getting tangled into it. And I'm going to keep doing that all the way across in each chain 2 space. 3 double crochet. And then in the last single crochet, I'm going to do a double crochet. Just one. All right. So here's what we have so far. Now we're ready to start our repeats. So we're going to chain one, turn our work, do one single crochet in the first stitch. Now we have our sets of 3 double crochet here. We're going to be working into the second double crochet of the 3. So we're going to skip over the first, and I'm going to do a single, chain 2, single crochet into that second stitch of my 3 double crochets. And I'm going to do the same thing across. So I'm going to be skipping the last stitch and the first stitch, and then doing a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Do it into the next, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and then the next one is the second double crochet of the 3. And then I'm going to skip over that last double crochet and work one single crochet, sorry about that, into the last stitch. Okay, and so now we're going to repeat our double crochet rows and our single crochet rows until we get to however high we want it to be, and it'll look just like this. Working in the rows and working in the round it's the same. Essentially, you're just doing a multiple of 3 most of the time, and you'll have a starting chain to join, or to turn, and you'll join to the first stitch. So that will just vary as you're working. Just follow along with the pattern. But that is the repeat. It's a super simple repeat of double crochets and single crochets, and it gives you this nice light and airy stitch combo. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and you have a wonderful day. Thanks.